Hello students, today we are going to see about the 16-bit addition using 8086. So this is the mnemonics we have. So first we are going to add two numbers, that is two datas. The first data is stored in the input address 1200 and second data is stored in the another memory address, namely 1202. So first instruction is move. So which will move the data whatever it is stored in the address, offset address 1200 into accumulator AX register. Second data is obtained from the address 1202 and it is moved to BX register. And the third instruction is addition. So AX data in the AX register and BX register are added and the result is stored in the AX register. And finally the AX data, whatever we are getting, that will be moved to the memory address, that is 1204, and halt is nothing but to stop the program. So this we are going to execute in the kit now. So this is the 8086 kit. So use the power supply, connect the power card at the back of the kit, and then connect the keyboard interface into the kit by using the slot provided here. So first switch on the power supply and turn on the kit. So it will be getting like this, and here first we have to enter A. A is nothing but assembly language. So give enter in the keyboard. So once you have pressed, it will ask for the starting address. So always give 1000. So this kit works with the starting address 1000. So give 1000. So enter in the keyboard the value 1000. Press enter. Now give the instruction one by one. So what is the first instruction? So previously we have seen that the first instruction is move AX comma. So we have to give the memory address. Memory address we have to give by using the square braces. So starting first input address is 1200. Give that in the square braces. Next instruction move BX comma. Again use the square braces for the memory address 1202. So why we are using 1200, next address 1202 means it is 16-bit data. So one memory address can store 8-bit data. AX register and BX register are 16-bit register. So 1200, one 8-bit data will be there. 1201, another 8-bit data will be there. Both the data in the combination, it is nothing but 16-bit data which is available in the 1200 address, 1200 and 1201, that is moved to AX register. Similarly, next two 8-bit datas, one it will be located in 1202, another it will be located in 1203. Both forms a 16-bit data. That data moves to BX register. And now we are going to add both the data. Add AX comma BX we have to give. Result will be stored in the AX register. And now finally we have to move the data available in the AX to another memory address, that is the output address. So give one more address as 1204. So what value we have to move? We have to move the added data which is available in the accumulator. Give enter. So finally give halt instruction in order to terminate the process. So now press reset in the kit. So it will come out of that particular location to provide the input. So we have given the program. So for that we have to give the starting address by giving A and then followed by starting address. Give the whole program and run it. And finally now we have to give the input and then execute. So for giving the input we have to use SW space. What are all the two input address? So you have to refer the program. In the program we have given 1200 and 202 for giving the input. So give SW space 1200. SW is nothing but substitute word and press enter. So now we are going to give the first data. Just I am giving 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 3, 4 is the lower 8 bit data, 1, 2 is the upper 8 bit data. So 16 bit data you are entering into 1200. Give enter through the keyboard. Now automatically it will point to the next location 1202. So let me give the next data as again 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let me give the same data in the another location also. So once you have given, again you have to press reset in the kit. So you have given the program, you have given the input, now you have to execute the program. So for execution, give go space 1000, that is the starting memory address, and press enter. So it will be showing executing. Again press reset in the kit. For seeing the output, we have to give again SW. SW space. What is the output address? Output address is 1204. So give that address. Give enter. So we are getting the proper output. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In two locations we have given the data. So both are added. You are getting 2, 4, 6, 8. So that's it. So finally you can reset the. Now the next program you can give and execute. Thank you.